Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I do a show on YouTube, The Crypto Lifer Show. I'm the Crypto Lifer, but I also talk about finance and the news, and I give you a quick 3 to 5 minute news segment that really brings the world to your fingertips, breaks it down, shows you what's happening. Let's break it down. Let's do it right now. We're about to do it. Coinbase sees tepid interest in bond buyback offer that could signal upside. Wow, interesting. Coinbase offered to buy back bonds with a face value of $150 million. Has so far been met with limited interest in a development that suggests many investors think there's more upside for the notes. The crypto exchange says Monday that it had increased its repurchase offer to 67.5 cents on the dollar, and that bonds worth $50 million at face value had so far been tendered. The notes, which have a compound of 3.6% and mature in 2031, are currently trading around 63 cents on the dollar. Bonds still have until September 1st to make their final decision to take the deal. Bondholders. Interesting. Although Coinbase continues to wrestle with regulatory concerns, its most recent earnings report beat analysis estimates. The company shares have fallen almost 29% over the past month, but they're still at more than 100% in the year. I mean, you've already doubled your money on a Coinbase investment on the year. I mean, you can't beat that. Scrape data of 101,000 FRIEND.TECH users links their wallet addresses. Oh no. FRIEND.TECH, a core contributor to Herein Finance, published leaked details of over 101,000 FRIEND.TECH users, including addresses and Twitter usernames. FRIEND.TECH, a synonymous core contributor to Herein Finance, has published a leaked repository containing critical details of users on the FRIEND.TECH platform on GitHub. This includes wallet addresses on Base and corresponding Twitter usernames for over 101,000 users. It's not the worst thing in the world, right? You have my address and my Twitter name. It's like whatever. But, I mean, you don't want to see things when they first come out already starting to be breached, right? And Gemini moves to dismiss SEC lawsuit, claims accusations are flawed. The exchange lawyers argued that the SEC hasn't provided key details about the alleged securities, such as a sale date or parties involved, making its case weak against Gemini. A lot of these things could be headlines that they just throw there and see what sticks. You know what I mean? Just be careful. If I read the news, I don't read into all the insane stuff. A lot of people just write news articles so they can get some hits. They might even try to sell some, advertising here. And so they're just trying to get you to click into that bait, that clickbait news. And the SEC really trying to make a headline for themselves. To me, a lot of the stuff doesn't seem to hold too much weight. We'll see how this goes in the future, but it's very, very interesting. Last but not least, you may not know what's happening. Let's talk about it. What is FRIEND.TECH and why is everyone talking about it? FRIEND.TECH is the next major social platform that is captivating the minds of innovators with its intriguing models. In recent years, the technology landscape has undergone rapid and transformative changes, reshaping the way we communicate, work, and interact with the world around us. One term has been buzzing in tech circles and beyond in recent times is FRIEND.TECH. By what exactly is FRIEND.TECH and what is capturing it? FRIEND.TECH, a term generating intriguing conversation, has been attributed to Racer, a prominent figure in the development of applications like TweetDAO and SteelCam. Ugur Kohler, a senior staff software engineer at Coinbase, highlighted in a tweet that FRIEND.TECH is a decentralized software platform for crypto personalities. Kohler added that at the heart of FRIEND.TECH's innovation lies its utilization of shares as digital assets. These shares symbolize ownership in the context of interacting with crypto personalities. At first glance, the essential functionalities of FRIEND.TECH bear resemblance to familiar platforms like WeChat groups or Telegram. However, the distinct factor lies in the organic process of entering and exiting group chats, a feature that defines the essence of FRIEND.TECH. Users can choose to join groups and earn a share of the selected groups by paying the base price. This base amount serves as the participation fee. If users later decide to leave the group, they can liquidate their group shares. FRIEND.TECH enters the scene with a seamless, user-friendly onboarding process. iOS users can conveniently access the official website on their device and add it to their home screens. Remarkably, the streamlined approach eliminates the need for third-party downloads, ensuring a smooth entry into the application. FRIEND.TECH's investment model. Interesting, and you can learn more about this. I may want to get involved, but now I don't want my address getting leaked. So, two things going on. And that, my friends, is the news. Now you know about FRIEND.TECH. So when people were talking about it, you're at lunch today, and you're kind of at the forefront of the cool news.